Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a simple but powerful Telegram bot using Node.js that tells whether a given year is a leap year or not. We'll cover how to write the code and explain each line. And finally, we run the bot live, so make sure to watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more coding tutorials. So let's dive into the video in the steps format. Here first step is setup and requirements. So before doing anything we need a setup. Before doing a video we need a setup. Before doing anything we should need a setup or requirements for the thing we are going to do. So here we are going to do coding. So before writing any code we should create a setup and we should set our environment. For this setup, we need Node.js installed on your computer. First step is to install Node.js in your laptop and then create a Telegram account. Here is my Telegram account, and now the Node.js package called Node Telegram Bot API should be installed. This will be done in terminal before um doing the code, and we'll type that npm init by npm install node telegram bot API. This installs the necessary library to communicate with Telegram. So it helps us to communicate with Telegram. It creates a library or a way to communicate with Telegram. So while coming into next step, we should create a Telegram account. So here is the Telegram account I have created, and first for this we should first open the Telegram and search for bot father. Type new bot and then give your bot a name like leap year checker bot. So in my Telegram I have given that Srivani bot. So you should give any name but that should be unique. So bot father, then the bot father will generate a token. This is a secret key that connects your bot with your code. That bot would be connected to the code we have written here. So copy the token carefully. We'll use it in our Node.js script. So in this script we've already used it. So I will explain it later in the coming step, which is code explanation. Now let's move into the code editor, and after this process Telegram account creation we move into the VS Code again and paste the script. This is the whole code script, and then importing the library. We should import the library by typing that constant telegram is equal to typing this line require node telegram bot API. So this line imports the node telegram bot API package that helps us connect Node.js with Telegram's servers. It gives us easy functions to send and receive messages. And now adding the bot token. The bot token should be added. The as Telegram bot further will give us the token. We've discussed about it before. This token will be given here, and here we paste our token from bot father. And remember, never share your real token in public videos. Now I am sharing as I have to explain it, and I'm not going to blur it, but I'll change it. So there is an option we can regenerate it, so you can regenerate it anytime if needed. And remember, never share your real token in public videos. And then let's know about bot object, creating bot object. Here we created an object constant bot is equal to new telegram bot token polling 2. This line creates our bot and enables polling, which means our program keeps checking for new messages from users continuously. So it will check for the messages that users give. And then leap year function. What is the code we are doing? What is the code we are writing? For what purpose we are writing this code? We want to ask and check that whether Telegram replies us the given year is leap year or not. So for that we should give a function. So this is our main function, logic function. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4 but not by 100. You all know it. Unless it is also divisible by 400. So for example 2000 is a leap year but 1900 is not. And then next step is listening for messages. That what we all want, the chatbot should listen to our messages. For that we have written this code, this line of the code. The bot dot on message event triggers whenever someone sends a message to our bot. We get the user's chat ID and convert the message into a number using person int, and then checking the input should be checked. So whether the input given is valid or not, we check if the input is a valid number and a positive number. Here this line checks it. So then comes the main part. It is the condition to check whether the given year is leap year or not. If it's a leap year, the bot replies with 2024 is a leap year. So let's give an example, 2024. Then if it is a leap year, it will print that a leap year, it is a leap year, else it says it's not. And next, as we discussed about input, checking of input, and the reply for the input if it is not valid will be done due to this line of the code. So handling invalid inputs, if there is invalid input, if the message isn't valid here, we remind the user to send a proper number. So here in code we can see please send a valid year, and also it given example 2024. So if we give any negative numbers or any words other than years, it will remind us please give a valid year. And then last step and final step, run and test the bot. So we are already running it. If you want, I'll run again. No, it's running, already running. So the code is running and I've already tested it. So I'll simply explain it. So here is the running of the code. So here I've given the message start. So as start is not a perfect valid year, it given the message please send a valid year, and 2028 I've given. As 2028 is a leap year, it given the reply that 2028 is a leap year. 2022 I've given, and 2028 and hello, all three at a time I've given. So it replied that 2022 is not a leap year, 2028 is a leap year, and please send a valid year as hello is not a valid year, and 2023 is not a leap year again. And for you I've also typed a invalid number plus negative number. So it also again said this please send a valid year and given example 2024. Again 2026 I've given it's not a leap year, and 2032 is a leap year. So here is how it checks the whether the given year is leap year or not. So that's it. We've successfully built our first Telegram bot using Node.js. You can extend this idea. For example, make a calculator bot, weather bot, or quiz bot. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials. Comment below what bot you want me to build next. Thanks for watching.